Remove the screws that are located on the inside of the door edge. Make sure the outside of the door does not fall off. The exterior of the door is released. The back of the soap dispenser is now visible. Remove the wiring from the dispenser. You can always use a pair of pliers if they are securely mounted. Remove the screws that are located on the rear of the soap dish, and remove, depending on the model, the metal plate that holds the soap dish in place. You can now push the dispenser inside the door and remove it. The new soap dish can be placed back using the opposite method. Attach the metal plate and tighten the screws. Connect the wires again to the soap dish. Put the door back in place and screw it tight again. This is how to replace the dispenser of your dishwasher.